guys, it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a cable bicep curl. To start, you're going to need a cable machine, and then you're going to move the handle attachment all the way to the bottom of the machine. For my cable machine, it has two separate handle attachments. Most gyms and most cable machines, the attachment only has one pulley. So if you're able to attach two handles on there, awesome. If not, you can either use a rope or you can use a straight bar attachment for the bicep curl as well. So for me, I have two handles, so I'm going to grab each handle in my hands and then walk back slightly, pulling my shoulder blades back. I want to squeeze my shoulder blades so that my back is nice and straight, my chest is upright, and my core is tight. I'm going to keep my elbows nice and tight towards my ribs, squeezing my biceps. We're going to pull, bringing my fists up to my shoulders, and then fully extending my arms. You want to make sure that your gaze is nice and neutral and that your spine and core are nice and tight throughout your whole motion. And that is a cable bicep curl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.